First, log in using the admin's username and password, then click the Login button. After that, we will see the admin dashboard. The admin is responsible for managing user accounts by creating, updating, or deleting them. The other option is for viewing only. In User option, we'll see the list of users. If you want to add a user, just click on the plus button, then fill in all the necessary information, and click the Add button. Afterwards, if you want to log out, simply click on the Logout button. Next user is Registrar. Log in using the registrar's username and password, then click the Login button. In the Open Subject section, you'll find the list of subjects because the registrar is responsible for managing the subjects open each semester. To add subjects, click the plus icon, input the necessary details, and click Add. Next, go to the Academic Projections section. The registrar predicts the number of students each year to determine the sections needed. To add a projection, click on the plus icon, input the details, and then click Add. Afterwards, if you want to log out, simply click on the Logout button. Next user is Physical Facility General Service Division PFGSD. Log in using the PFGSD's username and password, then click the Login button. Go to the Room Schedule section. The PFGSD has the authority to add or modify room schedules and allocate courses to particular buildings or rooms. You can choose between options. To add rooms or buildings, simply click the plus icon. Then, after entering the required information, click the Add button. If you want to see the schedule for a specific room, just click on it. You can also download or print it if needed. Afterwards, if you want to log out, simply click on the Logout button. Next user is Program Chair. Log in using the Program Chair's username and password, then click the Login button. In Academic Projection is for viewing only. In the Show section, you can see the list of sections. In the Select section to plot, you can choose which sections you want to plot. In the Plot section Schedule, this is where you can add a schedule per section. First, choose subject and if laboratory or lecture. Select the available room and time. This is now the created schedule. Click Save if you are done. In the Assign Professor schedule, you can see the scheduled every faculty and you can download or print it if needed. In the Show Professor schedule, here you add a schedule to the faculty. Let's go back to the Show Professor schedule and see the schedule we added. Afterwards, if you want to log out, simply click on the Logout button. Next user is Dean. Log in using the Deaner's username and password, then click the Login button. They have the same access as the Program Chair. The Dean can edit, add, delete schedules, but the main role of the Dean is to check schedules and approve it. Afterwards, if you want to log out, simply click on the Logout button. Next user is Faculty. Log in using the faculty's username and password, then click the Login button. In the Schedules section, professors can view their schedules here and print them by clicking the print icon. They can also choose their preferred breaks or advising time. Professors can request for change of schedule, but it will be subject for approval. Afterwards, if you want to log out, simply click on the Logout button.